So let's start with how to say hey. Hey in Tagalog is hoy. Hoy. If you saw a friend and you said, hey Jessica, or hey, it's hoy. Hoy. Hey, how are you? Hoy, kumusta ka? Hey, hoy. And if you wanna say let's go, tara na or halika na. Both means let's go. But it is tara na that is mostly used in Tagalog than halika na. Tara, ta-ra-na, tara na. And halika, halika na, tara na, and halika na. Both means let's go. Aalis na ko. That means I'm leaving or I'm gonna go. Aalis na ko. And also you can just say alis na ko. Alis na ko or aalis na ko. That means I'm gonna go or I'm leaving. And sandali lang or teka sandali. You can also just say teka. That means just a moment or wait a second. Teka. Or you can say teka sandali or sandali lang. And last one for tonight, Diba. Diba, that means right or isn't it right? On the previous two videos, we learned how to say talkative and quiet. Talkative, madaldal, and quiet, tahimik. So now, let's use that as an example with diba. I'm quiet, right? Tahimik ako, diba? So, that's it for tonight. And the phrases are also listed down below under the About section. And I'm going to put the link for the Tagalog phrases that I did before, and I'm gonna put that down below. So that's it for tonight, and let's learn more Tagalog phrases on the next video. Good night.